AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil is now available in 1-gallon containers, designed specifically for the unique demands of high-mileage engines, helping extend the life of your vehicle. It delivers purpose-built protection at a time in a vehicle's life where it could benefit from more robust maintenance. It cleans and protects engines with boosted detergency and an additive package that fights oil breakdown and oil leaks. Benefits include boosted detergent and dispersant package, unique chemistry for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, enhanced anti-wear additives, reduced sludge by 67%, demonstrating cleaning power that helps engines last longer and perform better, guaranteed protection for 12,000 miles or 1 year, API license, now available in 0W20, 5W20, 5W30, and 10W30 viscosities. This is Tim Velk of Synthetic Oil Zone, your authorized AMSOIL dealer. See video description for links and more info.